This is how we made The Sound of Violet, day 18. Okay, here we go. So this is our last scene. We have 5 hours to capture it, and then we'll be complete filming the motion picture. Action.
Anyone can see it's a mustache, but you can get it lasered right off.
Oh, hey! Excuse my brother, he can be a little blunt sometimes.
Did I say something hurtful?
We're about to film what we call the martini shot because it is the last shot of the movie. What? Isn't that amazing? 18 days later, here we are, and we're about to film the final shot of the motion picture.
Of the motion
Yay! Okay.